by God, born of His Spirit. I've been washed in His blood.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's showtime at the Apollo. Please welcome Steve Harvey.
Hello, how you doing? Come on, let's try it again. How's everybody doing tonight? We got a great show lined up for you tonight, so we're just gonna get it rolling. If you're ready for the show to get started, everybody say yeah. Everybody say yeah. My first guest, straight off the streets of Brooklyn. My first guest introduced herself to the world as part of the Junior Mafia on the Gold Smash Single Players Anthem. She's out with her own debut solo album on Atlantic Records titled Hardcore that features a collaboration with superstar producer Sean Puffy Combs performing her single No Time. Give it up, Apollo, for Lil' Kim.
Just superstar with these rhythms. From east to west coast rhythms. And while you keep talking, we count bank funds. I got no time for fake ones. Just superstar with these rhythms. From east to west coast spread love sound. And while you keep talking, we should count bank funds. I got no time for fake ones. Just superstar.
Get up out your seats, come on! Get up out your seats! Yeah! Come on! Say what's going on?
I'm Mama, Miss Savannah. Usually rock the product. Rock the cue for your man, your bitch. Cha-cha Kapoor, send me more. Saying it all the rich. Puff Daddy, puff the Hummer for the summer. I follow in the E-class. 96 model, bad click on the stroll.
Tell them how we roll.
Cruise control. Nothing make a woman feel better than I'm a vet. But the letters in Manchester. Chilling in the goods of my early.
Say what?
Trying to stick a brother for his face. If you say so, then I'm the same chick that you wanna get with. Be where it's hot, gotta hit the spot.
Say what?
If not, don't test the naughty dotty. Come on, y'all, 9-7, no time. Put 'em up, keep 'em up.
Wave these hands from side to side. Come on, Apollo, like this. Like this. Yeah. Somebody say ho. Say ho. Like the way the Jack does. That's right.
How you like it, baby? From the back, give that ass a smack. Bet your man won't do it like that. Can't work the middle, can't work the middle. Let me grab your tatas, do the cha-cha, make the screen pop out.
You the best that I. Now watch my mom. Go with the George crazy. Say my name, and you know, ain't no one like the Queen Bee. Have you speaking in French? Oula, oui, oui. Say la vie. Then I backs for them and shady. Feel my V.A. Or the Ravens. Ooh, I see. The girl ain't a freak like me. Or Dina. Can't phase her when I see. You became a rookie. How preposterous. Oh, yeah. No time. Put 'em on. Keep 'em up.
From east to west coast, spread love.
And while you keep talking, we count bank funds. I got no time for fake ones. Just superstar with these real ones. What's up?
We're gonna take it to the side, right?
Talking, we count bank funds.
Right back at ya, the one clear Patra. Digging in your style. No money, no just sticky in your forget your sticky in your click. Give me your loot, your Mac 11 didn't shoot. Game ain't sweet, John Paul beat shit to people. If you can't read it, forget it. Don't sweat it, I bet it. Make it you prove if you let it. You can't stop a chick. Ha ha, the la la, the drop bombs. And you ain't know why you be kicking that up.
Yeah.
We making hits, platinum and gold. I stay printed diamonds. Beside every man is a bad girl.
That's right.
It's a what?
It's a bad girl.
Come on, y'all.
No time for fake ones.
single off the Undies Big Beat label. Once again, show your love, Apollo, for Lil' Kim.
Yeah, Undies. Yeah. Little Caesar. The honey pleaser. Brooklyn. Yeah, check it. Yo, I be buying beats. All my girls be INCs. Coming backstage, dying to get pleased. You got me, I rock, deep aside to your linen. Why you fighting grinning? A bunch of foxy women. Why you speedball with cars? That's irrelevant. I get clothes custom made from a stylist. Cruise in my Lexus land with no balance. Why you walk the street until your feet get balance? Take you on and at you high like a pallet. If you all good, toss your clothes like a salad. When it's all over, put your vote in my ballot. It's my diner, I'm Alan, you're Alice. Spend the night in Little Caesar's Palace. It be all good as long as you don't act childish. While you standing there with the twist in your gum. If worse come to worse, keep this on the hush. Yo, I know you see me on the video. I know you heard me on the radio. But you still don't pay me no attention. Listening to what your girlfriend's mentioned. He's a son, he's a freak. Got a different girl every day of the week. It's cool, not trying to put a rush on you. I had to let you know that I got a crush on you.
Hey, yo, shorty, won't you go get a bag of the leaf? I'll be undressed in a bra or see-through. While you count your dues thinking I'ma cheat you. The only one thing I wanna do is freak you. Keep your stone sets, I got my own baguette. And I'll be doing things that you won't regret. Little Kim the queen bee, so you best take heed. Shall I proceed?
Yes, indeed.
I'ma throw shade if I can't get paid. Blow you up to your girl like the army grenade. You can slide on my ice like the escapade. Itchy itchy yaya with the marmalade. Who me, not you. Oh yes, who he? I even think your man style, but I love your profile. Whisper in your ear, get you all shook up, but don't blush. Just keep
this on the hush. I know you see me on the video. I know you heard me on the radio. But you still don't pay me no attention. Listening to what your girlfriend's mentioned. He's a son,
he's a freak.
Got a different girl every day of the week. It's cool, I'm trying to put a rush on you. I had to let you know that I got a crush on you. Why you trying to catch sea breeze? I'm in the PV, all grown C3.
Decked out.
CDs with crazy bass. Keep my lady lace. Don't be fooled by the baby face. I hope you're not, cause the thighs got me hot. Only one plan, that's the rise to the top. I told you before when I first was slow. I want to interlude in the nude.
You know I love the way you feel us. Sip my tequila. Merc from the dealer, full live chinchilla. Heat up the clutch, 750 deluxe. Give me speed down the clutch, take it easy to duck. I'm not the one you sleep with, then quick. You want a cheap chick? Better go down a fruit net. You got to hit me off. Buy this girl gifts, of course, so I'll explain in my Christmas card.
I know you see me on the video.
True.
I know you heard me on the radio. But you still don't pay me no attention. Listening to what your girlfriend's mentioned. He's a son, he's a freak. Got a different girl every day of the week. It's cool, not trying to put a rush on you. I had to let you know that I got a crush on you. I know you see me on the video. I know you heard me on the radio. But you still don't pay me no attention. Listening to what your girlfriend's mentioned. He's a son,
He's a
friend,
Different girl every day.
like this.
It's cool, not trying to put a rush on you.
D-Rock.
We love y'all, Apollo.
One love, y'all.
Thanks.
In 1992, my first guest turned OPP into a national obsession. Their new hit, Hip Hop Parade, has quickly become a hip hop anthem. And one of the most popular songs of '93, put your hands together for
DJ KG, come on! This shit was the 1993 album called Hip Hop Parade. Y'all know what time it is? Put it up! Hip Hop Parade! Ho! Hey! Ho! Hey! Ho! Hey! Ho! Do you want a picture of my wallet, but you couldn't make my day?
of the second album from our next guest. He's best known for his work with Janet Jackson on her record-breaking Rhythm Nation tour and his #1 hit, Turned Away. Tonight, he's back and hitting stronger than ever with his brand new single, Gangs. Let's give it up for Chuckii Booker!
If I had nothing, if I couldn't buy you something, now you've got yourself, and look who's playing. I got your thing together, now you're not staying. I worked to get the things I have. Ooh, oh, I've worked get the things you need, and I wanna know why you wanna play on me. Ooh, why you wanna play, baby girl? I said, why you wanna play on me? Ooh, why you wanna play? Oh, oh. Should do. Come on, baby, come on, baby. Ooh. Check it out, baby. Check it out. Is this just a game that you used to play? Yeah, yeah. Or am I just a fool that's chasing? Girl, I've tried my best to keep you happy. Said you turned around and tried to trap me. I worked to get the things I had. Ooh, oh, I worked hard to get the things you need, and I wanna know why you wanna play on me. Why you wanna play, baby girl? Said, why you wanna play on me? Ooh. Why you want to play?
Thank you, Apollo.
More from Naughty by Nature right after Amateur Night.
We zeroed out the carbs and zeroed in on flavor. New dressings with 0 carbs. Crack.
Somebody say OPP. Did you know me? Say OPP. Did you know me? Yo, Kane, drop a roll. Hey, yo, Trish, it's a lot of people out there that's down with this OPP thing, right? So why don't you take your time and explain it to my brother? OPP, how can I explain it? I think it frame by frame it. To have y'all all jumping, shout, saying it. Oh, it's for other P's, so people scratch your temple. The last P, well, that's not that simple. It's sort of like another way to call a cat a kitten. It's 5 little letters that I'm missing, yeah. You get it on occasion after all the party isn't gaming. It seems you gotta start to explain it. Bust it, you ever had a girl that met her on the night salon? They get her name and number, then left in the river. You get her way today, she's what you wanna know about. Then you go up in this girlfriend's on her cousin's house. It's not a from the F to the O to the O to the T. It's just some boyfriends that I have. Oh, that's so scary. It's OPP, some other people's where you get it. It's over for relationships, it's just room to hit it. How many brothers out there know just what I'm getting at? Who think it's wrong cause I was splitting and co-hitting it? Well, if you do, that's OPP and you're not down with it. Well, if you don't, here's your membership. You down with OPP? You down with OPP? You down with OPP? Who's down with OPP? You down with OPP? You down with OPP? I did it, you down with OPP? Who's down with OPP? Trust, coming up for the lady. OPP means something gifted. The first 2 letters say, but the last is something different. It's the longest, loveliest lead. I call it the lady. be exact. Have you ever known a brother who had another like a girl or wife? And you just had yourself a toast since he looked just at ice. You looked at him, he looked at you, and you knew right away. He had someone, but he was gonna be yours anyway. You could be sitting with him and all and say you didn't care. Was in a room behind the door, no one was trying to there. We all finished up the leaving, only y'all would know. And y'all can throw that scully ball right in the closet door. Now don't be shocked 'cause if you don't know what your hands are for. Say OPP, I like it, say with pride. Now when you do it well and make sure that it counts. You now down with a discount. You down with OPP. You down with OPP. You down with OPP. Who's down with OPP? You down with OPP. You down with OPP. You down with OPP. Who's down with OPP? Some C's. This is a brand new single from the Uptown Movie Juice. This is called Uptown's Anthem. We like to kick it like this. Hey, you can smoke a split with a clip, but there's still no more. High enough. Oh, wild enough to trust. The naughty, nappy, nasty nigga, the nasty, trusty, no happy Bobby. That's happy to be nappy. Me and Big Rock, waist box, and flocks and groups and shoot. With my boots and gel suits. That's how I roll with my hand through dump. When the wheel I got one. Competition ain't dope. Beat you, break you, broke you, smoke you, take. You see it to your little group of you. Sooner or later, you wanna flip, tell a bull, send me half with a dick. And all that other ringlet brothers. Sporty, naughty, hop up, made it a night to our eye. Just slam the flam, flam, and then jam. You can run, but you can't hide, you can't go far. No matter where you go, there you are. We're gonna break, we're gonna bash, we're gonna roll, we're gonna smash, we're gonna break, we're gonna bash, we're gonna roll, we're gonna, here we go, yo. Hit a nigga, kill a nigga, won't come back. See a sucker, shut the sucker, guard you now. 'Cause it wasn't left until a black man rap. See a 40 sucker, 40, guess who's back? You chillin' with a titty feelin' villain. Yeah. Step into the beauty, pretty punks, catch a feeling. I eat too many girls, call me gutter. I'm the bread and butter punk, mother. If it's South cutter, walking from the gutter. Come on. Brand new steady, heavy as a Chevy. Come on. Ready for the pity petty. I'm pretty ready. Come on. Place your bet on the vet. The 3-man threat. What you see is what you get. Break. We gonna bash. We gonna throw. We gonna smash. We gonna break. We gonna bash. We gonna throw. We gonna come around the corner with my uptown punch. Bet your bottom dollar, that's your bottom buck chumps. Give it up. It's a juice thing. I'm sipping for the reppin'. Wrecking all the restin'. Weapon testing on who's steppin'. Ain't a lump, but a nigga no other rugged rough stuff. Nigga, if you're tough, knuckle up. I cut your ass like clap, then blast you by the trash. After I laugh, then I dash. You can't handle the scandal of an uptown vandal. Shooting up your toes, making sandals. Somebody told me that you owe me. Can't nobody hold me. I do my dirt up on my lonely. Ready by nature, y'all.
Right. This Def Jam recording artist, DJ Jazzy Jeff, and the Fresh Prince.
Y'all ready to get this thing started in the place? Hey, y'all, hold on. I want y'all to check this out. Bust this. Yo, let me tell y'all what I'm thinking about. Well, I was in Jeff's crib one night about 8, and we were watching a couple of Mike Tyson fight tapes. Jeff was like, man, you see how hard Mike's punching? Come on, Jeff, the other guy was just lunching. Left, right, another KO. If that was me, y'all have been okay, though. The very next day, I gave Russell a ring with JL and Leon. We all called Don King. I said, yeah, Don, I got a problem. Yeah, what's up? What you saying? You trying to solve them? Forget the small talk. Let's get to the nitty-gritty. Me and Mike, 2 months. Trump, Atlantic City.
Yo, you gonna bust.
Yeah, you can be my trainer.
Word up.
I'm rough like a freight train, smooth like ice, and yo, Jeff, straight up, I think I can beat Mike Tyson. Yo, that's what this song is about, y'all. This is off our brand new album. It's called I Think I Can Beat Mike Tyson. I've been training to beat Mike, Jeff. What you think? All right, let me tell y'all what happened. When I told everybody I wanted to fight him, this what happened. There was a press conference to see what training I was doing. Before then, I'd never heard reporters booing. Cameras flashing, I was in the middle. I did it when I was dumb, so I exaggerated a little. said, I've been training 20 hours a day, lifting big old cars and big bales of hay. And I jog 10,000 miles every morning, thinking about Mike and my moment of glory. I drink water, 20 gallons of pop, and I can throw a Volkswagen a whole half block. And 4 million sit-ups in a minute. I ain't lying, I did it. The general public thought I was a fool. I was getting dissed, but I guess that was cool. Well, getting dissed is never good, but I was even getting dissed in my own neighborhood. I was at the corner at the top of my block. There was a couple of people standing outside of the barber shop. It was Lawrence, my barbering friend, and he yelled out,
Prince, you can win.
I said, really? And I stopped the chat.
You can beat him, man, if you hit him with a bat. You gon' get wet, but can I have your seats when he break your neck?
Everybody was laughing out loud. I thought at least my own grandma would be proud. I went to her house and snuck in to surprise her. I heard her on the phone.
1,000 bucks on Tyson.
Hey, yo, hold on, y'all. Give it to him one more time. Give it to him. Check this out. It's fight day. And man, am I hyped. Boy, I can't wait to see Mike. Boy, I'm hyped, ready to do my thing. Trump Castle Casino. Yo, Jeff, I'm ready to give it to him, man. Yo, straight up. I'm gonna work him to the body and then I'm gonna work him to the head. Are you with me, Jeff? All right, we're gonna do this. Y'all with me, right? I can take Mike on. I'm ready to do this. All right, hold on. Let me tell you what happened. Yo, show what happened. I came out hustling, sliding and grabbing, slipping and dipping, hustling and jabbing. For a second, I look good out there, but then Mike brought to reality my worst nightmare. One punch that's all it took. He hit me in my ribs and my inside shook. Now how can I say this and be a little discreet? Let's just say that my bowels released. I called time out and went back to the corner. Said to my coach, ain't no way I'm going to hell. Back out there, man, you can't forget it. My body's like a punching bag and Mike is gonna hit it. They tried to make me go meet my doom, but I sucker punched my coach and hauled to my dressing room. The next day, the headline in the town, Fresh Prince breaks scam, Tyson wins first round. Some fool asked why I ran away. I said a good run is better than a bad sand any day. My career is over as far as fight, but I don't know what made me think I could beat Mike Tyson.
All right. DJ Jazzy Jeff and the Fresh Prince. We'll be back with more Showtime at the Apollo. Stay tuned.
What's up? Yo, so what's up? Yo, you want real. All right, so I'm watching Geraldo the other day. Geraldo had a special on, live from Death Row. 2 hours of psychos, not one black guy in the whole special. You know why? Because black people aren't crazy. Black people do stupid things. Black people snatch rope chains and rob liquor stores, but black people aren't crazy. When you watch the news and hear that somebody got their head chopped off and somebody drank the blood and they used the toes to play pool with, yeah, chances are that was a white guy. Now, old lady kicked down a fight and says for a welfare check, black guy, fine. But when you hear the newscaster go, and then he cut out her eyes and used them as click-clacks, that was a white guy. And you didn't have to wait for the film on that one. Everybody waits for the film to see what color the guy was. And white people watch the film like, I bet you're a black guy. I bet you're a black guy. Watch. See? Told you. Told you it was a black guy. And black people watch the films like, please don't let it be a black guy, please. Oh, I want to go to work in peace. You go to work the next day, your boss is like, so did you know Larry Davis? People go crazy. It's rare, but some black people go crazy. You know what it is? Black people don't have enough money to afford psychiatrists, so we end up going crazy on the trains, right? That's what happened. My Uncle Bobby lost his mind. Crazy. You know, it's weird, like black people, white people can deal with senility very easy. White people are like, you know, Susan lost her mind. Maybe we'll visit her next week. Yeah. But black people are like, that's crazy. Get Bobby away from them kids right now. My Uncle Bobby lost his mind, man. Every time you ask him a question, he answered the same way. It's like, Bobby, what time is it? If you want to feel funky, feel free. But please don't spread that funk on me. What the hell did that mean? Crazy, man, crazy. I used to hate school when I was a kid. I couldn't stand school. You know why? Because I was bused to school. Very hard being bused. I had to be up every morning at 6 o'clock in the morning to go to school and compete with white kids that didn't have to wake up until 8.